I got this small piece of Texas Persimmon on the lathe. It's about a little over 2 inches thick. It won't be that thick when I'm done. About 4 3/4 inches wide. I think it'll make a pretty little bowl. I'm going to make this the bottom. There's a fair amount of cracks in here, but I'll be turning a lot of that off to make the tenon, so that's not really a big deal at this moment. Alright, got my face shield on, got the line marked for my tenon. First thing I want to do is flatten this bottom off a little bit. Yeah.
So check this out.
Okay, I've got this mostly round. Now I'll start working down to my tenon. And I want to try to get rid of as many of the cracks as I can. Some of them I'm just not going to be able to get rid of, apparently, unless I make this thing really tiny, and I don't really want to do that. Let me speculate on this a little bit. Let me take this down a little bit more. See if I can get rid of some of it anyway. The bowl's only going to be about that tall to start with, so I can't take too much off. The problem with cracks is I don't mind the look when it's finished so much, but it detracts from how long it takes to make, and that's the part I don't like. I'm liking that shape. I got rid of some of the cracks. I didn't do that one. Wow, that's a big one. I don't like it. And if I turn it away, I lose a whole lot of bowl because it goes pretty much to right there. So let me see if I can get rid of a bunch of it. I'm not worried about this out here. That's going to be turned off. Wow. Wow. I don't like it. I'm going to have to get rid of it. This may end up being a really small bowl. I'm going to do something else while I'm fighting this thing. Cut this back a little bit up here. We're going to call this the Incredible Shrinking Bowl, is what we're going to call it, because it is going away. I may not end up with much of anything. I didn't realize, I really didn't, that these cracks went so deep. They didn't look like they did when I was working on the blank. See, I've still got those big ones though, but I don't like them. I still got a little bit right there of that original crack. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this elbow poker, turn this around. So I'm just going to see what happens. I may make this into a hollow form. Just a small hollow form. Got rid of most of the cracks. This one, I don't know how deep it is. I know this up here, it runs all the way down to here. So let's face this off and see. Still got that split. Good gracious. I'm not going to deal with a crack. I'm just not. I don't feel like it. I'm tired of cracks. See, it goes that deep right there. I could have taken it down a little more. But now I don't have a crack. So I guess we're going to make a small bowl. I reckon. Not exactly what I had intended. Sometimes that's just the way it goes. Billy, you're turning with a scraper. Yes, I am. And you notice I'm getting shavings. I'm not getting dust. You know, I did my smalls turning the other day. I did not intend for this to turn out to be a small, but I'm dangerously close to making a funnel. Not bad at all. And of course, I didn't change cameras so that you can see what I'm doing because I'm an idiot. I got frustrated by having to cut this off. So that's what it looks like. Got that tiny little crack right there. I'm going to hit that with some CA before I go any further, and I'll smooth this up and we'll sand this out. All right, I want to try to work those ridges out of there. So I don't have to try to sand them out. Bottom of my bowl is right at the bottom of that foot right there. So what I need to do is try to blend this over without messing it up too bad. Right, I need to make it a little bit concave. I may have just created a mell of a mess. Didn't really make any marks on the inside of it. I didn't have it gripped that tight, but I want to do one more sanding pass inside. Could be better, but I don't want to spend any more time on it. That Texas Persimmon is just so pretty. You can hear how thin it is. Wall thickness is about 3/32 here and about an eighth down here, and that's okay. Nice little foot. Decent shape overall for a small. Not big enough to hold M&M. So here it is. My little Texas Persimmon bowl that's much smaller than I originally intended. But it's pretty much crack free. There was one that I filled. You saw that, and it's all but indistinguishable. So I think I can live with it. I'll have another turning out soon. Not sure what, but I got this stack of stuff I need to do something with, so it'll probably be one of those. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, y'all have a great day. Come back and see us.